They offer a variety of clinical trials to help shape a healthier future. And here to tell us about their latest trials is Dr. Joseph Gimbel with Arizona Research Center. Good morning, doctor. Always great to see you.
Thank you very much.
Let's talk about the opioid epidemic. What is your center doing to battle this?
Well, it seems to be obviously in all the news. It's a major problem. There are 50,000 people die a year from opioid overdoses. Columbia just did a study with 13,000 patients, which was interesting because most people think that opioids just affect the 20, 30-year-old group and they're just abusing drug. Well, 60% of those patients had chronic pain. And as a result, they had depression associated with it. And they were taking Valium and Xanax, which are in combination with narcotics is deadly.
Yes.
So the numbers over the past, say, 15, 18 years from 2000 to now, the numbers of deaths in that age group between 55 and 65 is increased by 8-fold.
Wow, so it's reaching older population.
Older population, and they feel that the Medicare population is even greater than the 55 to 65-year-olds. So it's a population problem. I mean, it's for all populations, this opioid problem is. And the neat thing is we're working with 3 pharmaceutical companies, mainly right now, Pfizer and Regeneron are working with a drug, which is called an anti-nerve growth drug. It's a non-narcotic drug that blocks something called nerve growth, which is used in embryo to help develop your nervous system, but when you're older, it seems to modulate or cause some pain. By blocking it, we can reduce pain. So this is a drug that's not a narcotic, that's given once every 1 to 2 months, which is quite unusual. And it's given sub-Q, like if you ever get a TB test, it's like a little prick. And if you get the drug, it'll reduce your pain by up to 80% within a couple of weeks. And we're doing a low back pain trial now. And not only will it help low back pain, if you get the drug, it helps all your pain. It globally affects pain in general.
So from the opioid epidemic that you're working on that clinical trial, last time you were here, you were talking about diabetic neuropathy. How is that going?
That's great. You know, it's interesting. In the lab, this is a drug out of Korea, which is strange. We don't see many Korean drugs, but this is a drug in the lab. We're seeing actually regeneration of nerve, which we've never seen before.
Wow.
And we actually have patients with diabetic neuropathy that are pain-free. And that's never happened either.
So many people.
I mean, there's no drug out there really that renders a patient pain-free with diabetic neuropathy. But we're doing, we're doing trials now on Alzheimer's, and hot
new
flash,
trials.
and acne. We do zillions. If you went to our website, azresearchcenter.com, you'll see a whole list of what we do. And, we're doing new drugs for anticoagulation following total hips, total knees. I mean, we're doing just a lot of different interesting and really exciting projects.
So there's a lot of new trials on the horizon.
Always.
So would you advise people to go to your website and see if there's a trial that fits their needs?
That is correct. We have a new trial now with a new drug that makes new cartilage. And we're the only site in the world that was picked to do this by a pharmaceutical company out of Switzerland. So, I mean, that's exciting, number one, to be picked as the only site in the world. And number two, this is a product potentially, if given when you injure a knee, can prevent the progression of arthritis. So we can cut down in years to come for people needing total knees and total joints.
Well, congratulations on all the work that you've achieved. A lot of advancement in medicine.
It's exciting.
Always interesting to talk to you, Dr. Gimbel. Thank you so much. And if you'd like more details, visit azresearchcenter.com or call the number you see on your screen.